Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the double crochet pop stitch. Alright, so what we want to do is go ahead and start our slip knot. And you want to chain any multiples of 3 plus 2. So there's 12 plus 2. We got 14, and then I'm going to go ahead and chain one more. So we have 15. And we do that extra chain at the end, that way we can do our step up to get into the next row. So go ahead and single crochet all the way back across. All right, one more. There we go. So turn your work and chain 1. So we're going to do 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and then we're going to do 3 double crochets in this one stitch. So I'll show you how to do that. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, but leave this one here. Yarn over in that same hole, insert hook, pull through 1, pull through 2. Now you got 3 loops. Do it one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, you got 4, pull through all 4. And go ahead and single crochet 2. This double crochet that you see that we're doing is the double crochet pop stitch. So we'll do it one more time, or several times. So insert, pull through 1, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert, pull through 1, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert, pull through 1, pull. Uh-oh. Ah! That's okay. Mistakes happen. Let's try that again. Yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, and you have 4, pull through all 4. Single crochet 2. You want to repeat this all the way to the end of the row. And don't worry if your yarn pops off your hook. Happens to me all the time. Just happy little accidents. Bloop. 1, 2, yarn over, yarn over, all 4, and then 1, 2. And then turn your work, and you see that you got your pop stitches. So chain 1, and then we'll just single crochet all across to the end of the row. And this is how you do a double crochet pop stitch. You would just repeat this whole entire sequence as far up as you want, and then you'll end up with this beautiful little pop stitch that's popping out. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, and if you feel inclined, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to get notified when I post new videos. Have a happy crochet day.